little cold right now. I kind of did an impulse buy, you guys. I got a Yoshi for the 110. We're about to be matching the 450. Devin just helped me hook up these freaking lights. Gonna be jumping the fire now. We get to see where we're going. You excited or what?
So excited, come on.
Here's a little sound test with the stock pipe first. What was that? What was that? My neighbors are gonna kill me. Okay, whatever. We're gonna put the Yoshi on. Stay tuned. Right.
Action.
Right. We ordered the Yoshi. Let's open her up real quick. There we go.
Freshie. Look at this ugly thing.
Yeah, that's right.
God damn.
This
It's black. It's nice, but
this isn't one of those pretty unboxings, but it'll do.
man, damn sure ain't pretty. Look at that.
Oh, damn. Okay, here we go. Got the pipe right here. It's angled pretty accurate, I'll say that.
Straight pipe it, dude. Let's see what straight pipe sound test.
That'd be awesome. Oh, we got the big head coming, don't worry.
Whoa.
Alright, you have to give me a second here.
Hey, we'll edit this out. Don't worry about that.
No. We're editing this out, don't worry. Bam! That's what I like to see right there. She's coming. She's about to bust.
Oh,
bye, 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 bye.
Come on.
We're about to be ripping. Stay tuned.
Freshie.
All right, Devin. Start her up. Wow, it's too bright. Hold on. Turn those lights off.
We got brand new Yoshi spark arrestor for sale.
That's right.
This is completely useless.
Don't need that. Toss that in the garbage.
Garbage.
All right. Sound test going on with the Yoshi. Look at that thing. Take a second. Look how big this freaking pipe is.
Oh,
It looks huge.
Yeah.
Devin, hide that thing. I'm not talking about the 450s. Just as big. This is wild. Holy sh**.
Cold, sorry guys.
She's a little cold. Give her a sec. We'll have to warm her up. Holy crap. It sounds like a big bike. Oh my god. Yeah. It's gonna be smelling good.
Oh, yeah.
We got the 110 dialed. Holy crap. Absolutely dialed. Barking. Holy Let's go. These fire jumps are gonna be wild now. Comment down below who's ready. Oh yeah, tail light too. Yeah, we're legal now. Let's go. Oh yeah, set up the alarm. Test her out. Let her eat. Yoo-hoo-hoo. Oh my god. Let's go. Let's go. Damn, Devin's fired up. Get fired up. Let's go. Oh. Holy sh**.
Oh, she barks now, dude.
Dude, this thing is ripping. What's the big difference? How's it like?
That throttle response is right there.
Oh, dude.
Holy
Yeah.
So worth it. Come on. Oh, we're gonna be barking in the dunes. Yeah, all the neighbors want to check it out.
Oh my god! Dude, this is insane.
Much better. Need to practice those wheelies. Oh yeah.
We out here now.
Woo! Let's go. This
Come
thing
on.
is freaking awesome. I just gained so much horsepower right now. Woo! It's the best choice I ever made right here. Best
barking.
impulse buy of 2024. Come
Let's
on.
go.
Hey, and shout out to No Sight. These lights are killer right now. Just
Oh, they're so bright.
Wait till we go to Glamis.
Look at that. Damn near underglow too.
Yeah.
Sheesh.
Let's go.
Come on.
The next day.
We got everything all loaded up at the gas station right now. Time to fill up, gas them up, and hit the road. We're about to head over to Devin's house after this, and we're gonna all go out together. We out here, got the bikes all ready, got everything dialed in. Should be good. We tucking a little bit. Hell yeah. Can't wait. Got the Can-Am all loaded up. Got the trailer. Devin got it looking all spiced up. I'll give you guys a tour when we get out to Glamis. It's looking good. Got his truck all washed up too, ready to go. Got my truck all loaded up. It's going down. Let's go. I gotta head out right now, get ahead so I can hit Brawley before they close. Gotta get some Ramey's meat. Haven't seen this on my navigation in a long time. It's been a long time coming. We on the road again. Feels good. Hopefully we'll get to Ramey's by 5 o'clock. They close at 5:30, so we're cutting a little tight. Traffic blows. Trying to head out to the dunes. We gotta make Ramey's. 25 minutes to spare. Sense of feeling, and this is how you remind me. We made it. It is currently 5:05. We made it to Ramey's. Time to get the goods. Look at all the goods right here. Nice. All right, gassed up the truck. Now time to gas up the bikes. Got some new VP cans. Hell yeah, no more sand in my gas tanks. Or gas cans, rather. Devin should be pulling up any minute. Look at this setup. Let's go. He's finally made it. We out here. Hell yeah. We out here. Ready to go, Devin, or what?
Oh, you know this. I'm always ready.
Always ready. Gassed up, loaded up. It's gonna be, we're almost there now. Cheers to the first beer of the season. Got Devin's mom out here.
Never been here for Halloween, first time.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Let's go. Damn, Devin, you gonna show him the trailer or what?
I ain't ready for all that.
Look at what Devin did.
Ain't nothing to look at right now. You gotta give me a minute, folks.
All right, stay tuned. Time for Devin to unload the beast. There you go. Now I can see ya. We out here. Look at that underglow. You're about to see mine soon. Let's go, dog. All right, we out here. Got the 70. About to unload my shit next. There you go. Let's take a walk in the trailer real quick. Devin repainted everything. It's a whole different trailer. Still a little messy, but it's all good. Got the backsplash, got the countertop. I did everything. It looks brand new in here. It looks good. Painted the wheels, painted the frame. It's looking good. Uh-oh, Devin's whipping that big pull out again. Let's see. It's about to be Glamis season officially. Keep stroking it. Sorry, take two. Edit that out. It is extending. And he's got 4 flags on there. Let's go. Daddy's, Marching Whips, American, new AP flag. Coors Light too? Woo! Damn, Devin, you went all out. Holy crap. You ain't lying. It's tradition. We out here. Cheers to Glamis season, baby. Woo! 110 dial. Look at those light beams. Look at that. Dialed. Now we can see. Hell yeah. Got everything unloaded now. Ready to rip. Ready to rip. That's what's up. Let's go. Woo! Get fired up. Got everything unloaded, ready to rip. Here, let's check out my underglow real quick. This underglow hits way better in Glamis. That's right. That's right. Shout out to Devin. Got that underglow. Ready to rip. Grilling it up. Oh wow, that thing's going good.
Oh yeah, top shelf, baby.
That's right. Oh yeah, it's smelling good. Got the chicken, got the poppers. It's a little bit of a mess, but they're gonna be good. Let's go.
Come on.
Oh, fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! Oh my gosh. I think those are done, Devin. Oh my gosh.
You want some water?
Oh, we're good now.
Make it worse?
Oh yeah, we're good. Those poppers are done.
Grease fire
Oh,
flour.
wrong little char. Come
Yeah.
on now. You still out here?
Holy crap. Can't forget about them garlic bread. Shout out to Rick and Sarah on day one fans right here. I'll take a little one.
2024 season.
Well, Anthony's
Perfect.
getting a little one.
There's your-
Devin's
Anthony,
getting
that
a
one's
full
yours
one.
right there.
Perfect. We out here. They've been repping since day one. Shout out to Rick and Sarah.
Wait,
All dress
Let's
production.
go.
Anthony gets the little one.
Day one. Let's go.
Devin,
Devin, where you at?
Real quick, Devin.
better run.
Is this tequila?
It's tequila.
Nice.
Tequila.
All right, cheers.
Come on.
Let's
2024,
go.
guys.
We out here. Let the
We
season
out
begin.
here.
Let's go.
Ow!
Cheers.
Come on.
Cheers.
Woo! We out here.
Sideways, vertical. Oh, you might say that
Damn.
sideways, but we good.
It's all right. Still works.
Likewise. Man, that shit soaks the fuck up.
Damn, Devin, you didn't put no gas in there?
How's that shit gonna start?
Look what Devin did. You put gas on the wrong pile. That's the wood pile, and you made your fire pit right there. There's our fire pit. There it goes. All that time and effort on this, and he went right here.
All right, though.
Fire, still firing.
That's
man.
right.
Come on.
You guys already drove in tonight, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna let that one slide, Devin.
Let that one slide. Let that one slide.
Oh my gosh.
You can judge me.
He was looking. He was wondering why that thing wouldn't light.
Like, did you get that Marco or what?
Oh.
Night ride, gas them up. Come on. Oh yeah, let's rip it.
You see when I'm drunk, I ain't picky. Way over there, call you really play it. Definitely it is.
We out here. Let's go. Woo! Let's go, Glamis season, baby. We out here. Let's go. Ow! Oh yeah, look at all these tires right here. Shout out, Sandcraft's about to hook us up for the weekend. Let's go. We're gonna try these damn things out.
Heard you guys are trying to learn how to dune around here.
That's right.
Baby, we trying.
That's
Remember
right.
last night, huh?
Woo! Look at those.
One thing at a time.
Yeah. That looks dope.
Set up.
Heck yeah.
There you go.
Sure.
The paddles, look at that. That's what's up. Got some Sandcraft paddle tires. They're hooking us up for the weekend. Let's go. Heck yeah. Damn, those things are huge.
You guys are gonna love it.
That's what's up.
Already, man. Hell yeah.
Look at this rail. This thing is dope. Look at those prototype right there. I need to get me some for my rail. This thing is awesome. Heck yeah. This thing is dope.
Four-wheel drive, it might allow the car to come back. I'm not sure.
Is anyone else still drunk from the night before, or is it just me? I went a little too hard. Oh boy.
Dude, I'm still trying to remember last night, man.
Okay. One thing at a time.
Last night was rough, huh? You guys' fire still burning last night, man.
Dude, we went hard. We went hard. Damn, look at those big boys right there.
Is that high enough? You need me to go up.
I can get higher.
Yeah, let's go.
Come on.
That thing's large, Devin.
Average.
Oh, she might be looking good. Sandcraft.
Sandcraft. Got the baddest tires in the game.
Better test them out.
You can do. Come on. Time to rip it.
Oh yeah, she's looking good. Huge shout out to Sandcraft. Let us go.
Look alone.
Gotta get some for the Sandrail next. That's the plan.
Come on now.
We out here. Shout out to Daddies right here. Bomb. Yeah, take two. Now shout out to Daddies. It's been a long time, but we back.
Come on.
It's Glamis season. Got the merch, got everything. Devin's got his RC car out here.
You know about that.
Nice. This thing's dope. Oh, holy shit. Missed it. Damn, look at this thing.
What's up with the Sandcraft copter?
That'd be big, Sandcraft guys.
Oh yeah. Where you at, Brody? Brady? Boys are missing out.
You ready, Devin?
Oh, I'm always ready.
First ride of the season. I'm a little
Come on.
nervous, not gonna lie. But I test out that aggressive mode. We'll see what's up.
Right.
Alright, let's get it. It's been a while since I threw a leg over. A little nervous.
Oh, stop it.
Not gonna lie. We out here, baby.
Let's go. flips right now. Holy shit. We out here.
Woo! Swap it out with him too. Eagles.
So, man, I'm trying to see you guys on social media, man. I'm watching the videos, dog. Do your thing, man. All there up, and he's all over the mic and shit.
Let's go. Thing's dope. Hell yeah. So far, bike's doing good. Can-Am with the tires. We out here.